आउटफिट चेक Where have we come to?
Hanuman temple.
Yes.
Like,
થોડી લેવાઈ ગઈ છું guys, but ઠીક છે. Since we have paid so much of money going all the way up to the Hanuman temple, this is the place where Sita was kept, and then Hanumanji came here to see Sita. Bye bye. So guys, now we are in the tea factory.
जवाबों का सफरनामा मेरी ओर से उठा तेरी ओर को कदम पहला मिलेंगे हम
अलग अलग मंगाओ.
So now we are gonna taste the tea over here. We have seen the tea factory and tea plantations are just here in front of us.
तो अंग्रेज ने जमाने में जेलर है.
Now we're gonna taste the tea and if we like it, we'll buy. I hope it's not like Darjeeling tea again, but we'll see.
कल लगाओ अपने कलश वाला के. मोटी दुकान है ना. गाड़ी फुल 10 वर्ष काम करेंगे. गाड़ी नहीं चल रहा चाले तो सही है. फुल एकदम है. सफरनामा ख्यालों का सफरनामा अंधेरे में उजालों का सफरनामा.
So guys, here we are just exiting from the lift and this is the interiors of the hotel. Like, it's really pretty. This is Hotel Ashford in Nuwara Elia.
सवेरे सा पुराना भी नया भी है मोहब्बत भी मिसालों का सफरनामा.
It's 10 to 12 degrees Celsius here, but it's nice. Just shut up, okay?
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
चलो इको.
Hi guys, we are going.
अच्छा
हमारा डिक्रू साथ I'm going downwards. See.
चलने लगे हैं
Guys, my डिक्रू is so comfortable with his बुआ. Yippee.
सो बहुत बुआ शोर तो कह रही है. क्या है ऊपर है नीचे है? यहाँ
हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. हा मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते। आओ खो जाए हम, हो जाए हम यूं लापता। आओ मीलों चले जाना कहाँ ना हो पता। हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते। आहा मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते।
Basically, this bridge was supposed to be built by Britishers, but they couldn't make it due to some problem. I don't know. Like they were not very much efficient to build it. So one Sri Lankan man had built this bridge, and still England people or Britishers were not 100% confident in him, and they were denying that this is not a good idea. So that Sri Lankan man, he said, I'll stand below the bridge and let the train pass from above. If at all something happens, I'll die. So that was the confidence of that man, and this bridge has been built, and currently the train is not working due to the landslides and everything. So tracks in between are damaged. That is why. Okay.
बैठे बैठे ऐसे कैसे कोई रास्ता नया सा मिले। तू भी चले मैं भी चलूं, होंगे कम ये तभी।
Hi.
Where do you go?
We are going towards India now.
We are going towards India now.
After this. You? Where have you come from?
France.
France, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
फासले बैठे बैठे ऐसे कैसे कोई रास्ता नया सा मिले। तू भी चले मैं भी चलूं, होंगे कम ये तभी फासले। तेरा मेरा ना हो किसी से वास्ता।
Super tired, guys.
मीलों चले जाना
हाँ पप्पा कही छे आदम नाम सिलासी हमारा गुना माफ करजे because you are on Adam's feet. What's his name? Mika. And his? Neo and Mika. Okay, so now we are at the peak of the mountain. Like everywhere it's view. Mountains and scenery and clouds and everything.
लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते।
So this is the adventure park, Flying Ravana, where there's everything like zip lining. You can see that person coming. Then there is this wall climbing, ropeway, skywalk, and also there was this Bali swing over there. Oh, I'm so sorry, Sri Lanka swing over there. So there are many things over here. I would really suggest you guys to make a trip to Sri Lanka once. It's a beautiful place.
यहाँ वहाँ देखो कहाँ लेके जाने लगी बेखुदी। आंखें खोले नींदे बोले जाने कैसी जगी बेखुदी। यहाँ वहाँ देखो कहाँ लेके जाने लगी बेखुदी।